Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2019 Harley Davidson Street Glide, and this one is in vivid black. So we have dual disc braking up in the front, and this one does have ABS, which is nice for the standard Street Glide. It has the heel toe shifter, rider floorboard, passenger pegs, and it also has the engine guards up front, which you can stretch out on, or you can even put the highway pegs on there after, so it's even more comfortable. We have the 2-up seat, locking saddlebags, has a battery tender, super easy to access, really clean bike, and we've got the chrome finish 6-speed on the 107 Milwaukee 8. And the miles on this bike are 13,940. Again, this is a 2019 Street Glide. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.